don't want to hear I feel awesome. I don't want to hear a word about how uneven my wings are. Okay? I know. Alright. It was either this or make Amy Winehouse look like she's afraid of eyeliner. Alright, this is what you're getting. It's the best I can do. Okay? Okay. Hello, non-existent YouTube void audience that is not there. Hello, 8 people. I'm only entirely sure of who maybe 5 of you are. Other 3 mystery people. Hello. I have been a shit YouTuber. I haven't posted a video for over a month. Not that I was doing fantastically well before that, mind you. It's January 20th, I want to say? Probably much later, by the time I actually get this edited and posted, because I still haven't posted December's boxes. And I've got January's here. And a bunch of other stuff. So we're not doing all that today, just FYI. Mostly I'm just here to say sorry, I have sucked. Hopefully by the time you watch this I will have had January's stuff up. So, how was your Christmas? I had the most hideous death flu on the planet for most of the sort of 2.5 weeks surrounding Christmas and New Year's. I was in bed before the ball dropped for probably the first time in my adult life. I was so tired. I was in bed by like 9, maybe 10. I don't remember. Time meant nothing to me. Only death. And what is the point of this video? To say that I'm like totally back and stuff. Oh, and to introduce you to some of the things that will be coming up. So exciting! I am doing things. Things are happening. Obviously, there's the usual Glossybox and Birchbox unboxings, which, starting with the January ones, I will be posting separately rather than together, because I think me rambling for that long is probably more than anyone should be expected to take, so we're gonna shorten that up. Also, a couple of other subscription boxes that I have added to the mix. One of them is sort of beauty, cosmetic related, and the other one is not, so stay tuned if you care. I'm also considering, mind you, I make no commitments, joining in on Project Pan this year, although I have very little. What I do have is a bunch of old makeup that may or may not still be good. So what I'm going to do is, I've got a little makeup graveyard where old shit that I never touch goes to die. And I'm going to dig a few items out of that and see if they are still okay to use, and if so, attempt to pan them. So at the very least I will be decluttering, i.e. binning, a whole bunch of stuff, which I find exciting and literally no one else on the planet will. Welcome to YouTube, home of the narcissistic shut-in. Ooh, and there is something really fucking cool coming up, which I'm not going to tell you yet, but I will be having something really, really cool done. Hopefully I will be allowed to document it, so I'm going to try. Either way, I will post videos of the peripheral experience. I'm starting to sound like this, so it's probably a good time for me to stop talking, have a cup of tea, and then get on with the next video. So if you've actually sat through this whole video, I don't know what's wrong with you, but welcome. And if you care about any of the stuff that I'm doing, do all the subscribey, likey, commenty, what's-its down there. And I'll see you soon. Or I won't.